You'll definitely have to try this recipe because this is another banger. We are preparing some liver, and with me here I have my ingredients. So I have my liver. If you are for the peeling of the skin, well and good. If you are not, you can also leave out the membrane. I've already peeled my membrane. I have some tomato paste, onions, garlic, some coriander stems. I have my blended tomatoes. I have some capsicum, some 2 seasoning cubes, and some coriander leaves, some salt. This is some cooking oil, and for the list of spices, today I have some curry powder. I have some black pepper. This is Royco powder. And finally, I have some turmeric, mainly for the color. And without further ado, let's get started. So once my pan is hot enough, I'll go in with about a tablespoon of cooking oil. Then I'll go in with my onions. And I'm going to saute this till they turn translucent, just how I like it. So now that this is how I like it, I'll go in with my garlic. Then I'm also going to throw in my coriander stems. And as this continues to cook, I'll go in with my turmeric. And I mainly love turmeric because of the color, nothing else. So I'll just add in a small pinch. That should be okay. And now that this is fragrant, I'll go in with my tomato paste. As well as my tomatoes. So you can see how beautiful this sauce looks like. And once you have a beautiful base, your outcome is definitely going to be delicious. So once I'm pretty sure that everything is well mixed, I'll go in with my other spices, and I'm going to add in some black pepper, just a small pinch. That should be okay. I'm also going to add in my curry powder. A generous amount. Then I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes till my tomatoes are well done. So about 2 minutes later, you can see our base is ready and our tomatoes are also ready. So it's at this point I'll go in with my liver, and liver doesn't take long to cook. In about 5 minutes our dish should be ready. I'm going to carefully mix this. And now that everything is well mixed, I'll go in with my salt, a small pinch, because we also have the seasoning cube that has some salt. That should be okay. Then I'll add in my seasoning cube. Then we add some capsicum. I'm going to add about half of it right now, then the rest will come in later. Then I'm going to add in some water. I'll add in a little bit more, and that should be okay. Then I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, and our liver should be ready. So these are a couple of minutes later, and you can see this is doing very okay. This is just doing perfect. I know it's almost ready. So remember we had some Royco powder. I'm going to mix this with some water so that it can have an easier time dissolving. Then I'm going to mix this, and once it has dissolved in the water, I'll add in the water. Then I'm going to mix this in well, and you can see it's a very good thickening agent. You can see this has also thickened significantly after we've added our Royco powder. So I'm just going to give this about a minute so that it can blend in together. Then I'll see you for serving. It is good. About a minute later, you can see our delicious stew is ready, or you can also call this a curry. So I'm going to switch this off. Then I'll garnish it with the remaining capsicum as well as the coriander leaves. And we can all agree that this looks delicious. My liver is ready, and I've served this with some ugali. You can have yours with some rice or anything else. And look at this, how tamus. Wow. Wow. This tastes so good. Wow. I love this. This is so good, you definitely have to give this a try. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.